If you want to unlink your Microsoft Teams account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps. This process will help you disconnect the two accounts effectively. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device or access it via a web browser by navigating to the Teams website. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you are in Teams, click on your profile picture or initials located at the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Accounts. In the Settings menu, look for the Accounts section. This area contains information about linked accounts and services associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Step 4. Find linked accounts. Within the Accounts section, locate the list of linked accounts. Here, you should see Facebook listed as one of the connected services. Click on the option to manage or unlink accounts. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Select the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Microsoft Teams. Confirm your choice if prompted and ensure that the unlinking process is completed successfully. After following these steps, your Microsoft Teams account should no longer be linked to Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help resources provided by Microsoft for further assistance.